We at Krones have the unique possibility that we can serve the complete loop for the beverage bottle. This means we do the blowing of the bottle, we do the filling, labeling and secondary packaging. Then the bottle goes to the customer, and as a used bottle comes back into recycling. And here we also can serve the customer with a complete recycling factory which closes this loop. And this means that in the Meta Pure process we can sort the complete post-consumer bales and bring them into a washing step, and from there we do a decontamination of this material to have really a food-grade recycled PET material afterwards. And so this material can go back into a preform, and the next bottle can be blown out of this material, and this closes the loop. In the last years we also see a growing demand for recycling polyolefins like HDPE, polypropylene and stuff like this. And here we now have the first references, and we also can build a complete recycling factory for these plastics like HDPE and polypropylene. And for the future we even want to expand our portfolio into recycling of polystyrene, which is mainly yogurt cups, and a lot of customers are asking us to go into the development of film recycling. So this is also an addition to the closed loop, because then you also can recycle the film packaging or labeling material, and I think this is the right expansion.
Thank you.